So here we're installing aluminum staining seam metal roof, and this is a snap lock profile with a nailing flange, so I don't have to use clips, just put screws right in there. And this is a bay window that was damaged by snow, and as you can see, putting new panels here. We got here, this is the edge of the seam, so basically we'll just fold this over like that so it looks nice and there is no ice getting in. There you go. And the underlayment, this is a breathable synthetic underlayment by GAF. It's called Deck Armor, and so if you have any condensation under your roof, it will basically evaporate through the underlayment like a human skin. So there you go, quick look at a metal roof installation. See ya.